Hello everyone, Namaste. Hope you all are doing well. In this video, I am going to show you how to design and illustrate a logo all from scratch in Adobe Illustrator. If you are new to this channel, please hit subscribe so that you don't miss any of my future updates, and also ring the bell icon so you get notified every time I post a new episode. So let's get started. Firstly, grab any drawing sheet or notebook and start to brainstorm ideas and pick out some keywords. Then proceed further with sketching the samples. Remember to keep the logo design appropriate, simple, and memorable. After finishing the samples, select the best option and take a photograph, then copy it into your PC. Open Adobe Illustrator and create a new document of 2000 by 2000 pixels. Set the color mode to RGB and set the raster effects to 150 ppi. Drag the sketch image onto the canvas and click the square on the left of the layer. Check the template box and click OK. This will dim down the reference image. Then create a new layer and start to illustrate the logo with the help of pen tool, shape builder tool, and various shapes as per your necessity. After finalizing the outlines, colorize the logo and add a nice background. Good job. Now you can save this logo in any of the image formats such as PNG, JPG, or etc. Give it a thumbs up if you like the video, share it with your friends, and feel free to ask any queries in the comment box. The Behance project link is given in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.